That's weird. Oh well. I heard something. I messed up. Huh. That's fun. Oh well. Alrighty. Okay. Let's go check on Mangold. Let's go check on Mangold. Oh, hi, Foxy. You don't have to be rude. I'm just trying to be nice. Oh, I don't like you. Oh, sorry, Spot. Oh, you're okay. Sorry again. You're fine. Hey, Mangold. Huh? Oh, hey. Hey, Foxy. Hey. How you doing? I'm good. Do you want to go wake up? Do you want to go wake up Sammy? Yeah, sure. Whatever. It's you. Hey, you're being nice to me. Yeah, but you're trying to steal Foxy from me. Sorry. It's alright. It's okay. Sammy, wake up. Sammy. Sammy, wake up. Huh? I'm awake. Good. What? What do you mean, good? Oh, nothing. We have to go before lunch starts. She's fine. What's she doing in my room? You know I hate her. I'll be on in a minute. Whatever, Foxy. Wait, Sammy. Foxy. Huh? Come on, let's go. Okay. Let's go see my mom and my dad. Got it. Sir. What? The wolves. What do you mean? She's there. Oh, she is? Yes. And what are the wolves gonna do? They are helping her. Good. They're falling for a trap. But that's not good. She's being friendly. What? What are you talking about? She shouldn't be friendly. Okay. Got it, boss. I'll go make sure. Yeah, you better. I don't know what he's thinking about hitting people. So much. Can't wait to get rid of him. I'll go check on her later. Hey, Mom. And Dad. What's that? Your brother's here. Sissy! Sissy! Hi, Thunder. I missed you. Missed you so much. I missed you too. Foxy! Hi. I have my friends up there right now. Oh, where are your siblings. Oh yeah, I forgot. You know, sometimes I get a little bit nervous. What do you mean? I just think he's a little wild for you. Oh no, he's fine. See? Told you. But anyway, you're gonna have to go. Both of you. Sorry, hon. We need a little break. Oh, okay. Got it. Bye, Mom. Bye. Bye, Dad. Bye. Got a plan. Like, what else would I do? Gotta kill them. But I can't. If I kill them, they'll kill me. But Alpha will get mad at me if I don't kill them. Just kill them, I can't. Just kill them, I can't. I can't. I can't kill them. I'm gonna go talk to Boss. Oh, finally, you're back. Yeah, I am. Any news?